Welcome to Fixmaster. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to buy Bitcoin using Binance. Let's get started. First, open your Binance app. Once it's loaded, you'll see this kind of interface. Let's say I have few USDT available. To buy Bitcoin, follow these steps carefully. Go to the Markets tab. In the top right corner, you'll find the search bar. Tap on it and type Bitcoin or BTC. From the search results, select BTC USDT. This pair allows you to trade Bitcoin using USDT. Here, you can see the current market price of Bitcoin. At the moment, the market is down, which could be a good time to buy. To buy Bitcoin, press the Buy button. You'll see options like Limit Price, Amount BTC, and Total USDT. For example, if I want to spend $20, I'll enter that in the Total USDT field. The system will calculate how much Bitcoin I can buy with that amount. Let's say I can buy this amount of BTC at the current price. If you want to buy, then click on Buy. If you want to buy one whole Bitcoin, you'll need more funds in your account. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Binance. It's that easy. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fixmaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.